Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your contrast theme back to normal in Windows. As you can see, I have high contrast theme on right now. I want to change it back. So how do we do this? We can use the settings menu. How? Open settings, window with an I, and then we click on ease of access, which is the option over here. Then I will show you how to do it for Windows 11 too. And the next thing, you click on high contrast and simply turn it off. Wait a few minutes and it will be back to normal. It's the easiest way to do it. Now if you're using a Windows 11, this is how you do it. Now you can see it's back to normal. If you are using a Windows 11, this is how you do it. You open settings, go to accessibility from the left hand side menu, and then you choose contrast theme under the vision section. This is the vision section. You choose contrast instead of ease of access, just will be accessibility. So you choose contrast theme will be among the options here, and then you select none from the drop down menu. Then you click apply. So you can also use the keyboard shortcut. Keyboard shortcut is by pressing left alternate key, left shift key, and the print screen. Left alternate key, in case you don't know what I'm talking about, the left alternate key, this one over here, left shift key, and then you press the print screen. The print screen isn't showing it this one. Let me open the one that shows the print screen. I'll be right back, give me a second. Alright, here we go. So left shift key, like I said, left alternate key, and then the print screen. This is the print screen. Left alternate, left shift, and the print screen. You press this using the keyboard shortcut. This is the keyboard shortcut to use. Left alternate key, left shift key, and the print screen to toggle the high contrast mode on and off. Now this method, I've given you the method for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. By following these steps, you should be able to return your Windows display to its normal color settings. So let us try that. Left shift key, left alternate key, and the print screen. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I can't do it one at a time. Oh yeah, let me put it on here so I can do it one at a time. Here, 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 and here. Since I don't have to use the keyboard on yet. Okay, I have to do some settings. Well, there's no time for that. So let's just use the normal one. Left shift key, left alternate key, and then print. Okay, for whatever reason it doesn't seem to be working for me, but it's because I'm using Windows 10, so Windows 11 should work. Anyway, that's it for today. Hope you find it helpful. If you did, let me know how it went for you in the comment section. Bye.